What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Aisha, otherwise known as Miss Champagne. I've been doing a lot in the garden today. I will insert some clips of me harvesting my sweet potatoes today. Replanted a lot of stuff, so it looks a mess, but this is my harvest. Lots of sweet potatoes. Some bug damage, so I'll go through those, but for the most part they look pretty good. Harvested some basil and some peppers, so yeah, pretty good harvest day. Let me show you everything that was going on outside. As you can see, one of my containers is moved. It is now outside. So since we are in Florida and it is our fall, you know, just like everybody else, we have limited hours of sun. So a lot of the plants that I'm planting need like 4 to 6 hours. So I moved everything outside, reorganized some stuff, repotted some stuff, so that it can get as much sun as possible. As you can see, I heavily pruned my peppers. I'm going to overwinter them. I'm going to spray them down. I planted some Oregon sugar peas in that back row. I planted some red beets in this front row, and then I planted my oregano here. My chocolate mint is doing okay down there. This is my mustard spinach. Doing okay. This has been getting attacked a lot. You see a lot of like white flies, a lot of aphids, so I don't know how these little 3 will do. This one was in the back, so that's why it's so tiny. It didn't get hardly any sunlight because the mint was on top, but we'll see. I have other ones that are doing much better. I have my carrots doing well. As you can see, some of them are starting to come to a head now, so I will successfully have grown some carrots. Now these are like little balls. These aren't like the long carrots that you get in the store. And I did sprinkle some more carrots in here so that they can start to grow as I harvest these. We don't have a first frost until like February, so I've got a long growing season. This is my Barbados cherry. It was so root bound when I took it out of that little pot. Hopefully it sprouts back up and starts to have a lot of new growth. Fertilized it, put some worm castings in here, pruned all the branches that were like going down into the dirt. I may prune this middle one, I'm not sure. I moved my 2 blueberry bushes into this, which is an upside down table that I was no longer using. It's like a wicker table, so it's not going to hold water. That's my society garlic that I put. It was sitting in this pot, and I moved all of the peppers out of here, moved the society garlic, put it in here, and then this is my blue salvia, which I have cut back. It's already starting to put on some new growth. This is a perennial, so it will keep coming back, similar to my pineapple sage or tropical sage, whatever you want to call it. I cut it back every year, and it just grows back. It blossoms every fall into these bright pink blossoms. I tried to eat them. They're supposed to be sweet, but they didn't taste sweet to me. But I see a lot of pollinators surrounding them, and it's a nice little pop of color. So I planted some dwarf gray sugar peas in here. This is all my lettuce. Now it's been in the 50s like the past few days, and it's pretty cool this past week, so I haven't actually had any germination, even though lettuce is like cool weather loving. It needs to be a little bit warm to germinate. So hopefully we have some warm days and then I can get some germination. I finally put my Myers lemon in a bigger pot. Hopefully it grows and gets a lot taller like the pink Eureka lemon did. When I put that in a new pot, it just shot up. I do have a lemon on here. My one and only. I've got a few babies, so we'll see. And this is my pink one. Let's see. I think I have one little baby here, some blossoms, so we'll see what that does. Here's my grow tower. I'm a green stalk. Not getting enough sun, so these are tiny. This one's doing okay. Most of this is mustard spinach. This is my California Wonder, coming back after getting attacked by the hornworm. Looked like something was living in there. So I will leave that, but I have lots of little ladybug larvae. These were covered all in aphids, and I left them. I didn't spray or do anything. And now if you look at the underside of the leaves, you don't really see anything. So the larvae have been going to town. They are everywhere. That's what ladybugs looks like when they're babies. So make sure you don't kill those. They've been doing their job. This is mustard spinach. No, this is not mustard spinach. This looks like Georgia collards. Yeah, this looks like a Georgia collard. This is mustard spinach. That's a Georgia collard down there. This is an Ace 55 tomato. They're all over the place. So happy. This is some basil that I am gonna let go to seed. This one I'm still harvesting from. These are my other jalapenos. Trying to wait till they all turn red, but I may just give them to a neighbor. We'll see. I don't have anything to go in here right now, so. Georgia collards. I believe these are Georgia collards as well. This is an Ace 55 planted at the same time, but much bigger. No fruit yet. Peppers are doing well over here. Sweet heat. So these start off hot, and then as they ripen and turn red, they're a sweet pepper. This one I don't know what it is. Can't remember. But so far they've all been turning red, and they are some kind of sweet variety. And then there's my black eye season, doing well. Sugarcane will be harvested next week because I'm too tired to do it today. But yeah, this is everything. Lots of stuff moved outside so we can try to get some extended hours of sun. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. My marigold is done, so I'm going to pull that out. But this is everything. Trying to make it look a little neater so that my neighbors won't complain. I'm in a townhome. We have like one giant shared backyard, but we all have our individual space, so I like it. And that is it. I have done a lot today. I am tired. Patio looks a mess. I'm going to clean up. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Enjoy the rest of your November. It is almost Thanksgiving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, show some support. Love you guys. Bye.